Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I think I wanted to do something for myself. I wanted to do something for the pool room. So on the behalf of my wife, since she asked me nicely, I wanted to do a pouring. But I'm going to do a pouring and a flip cup. I'm going to use a lot of acrylic. I want to use a lot of acrylic just because I want to have some kind of effect. I want it more to work until it dries. It's going to do it's going to be a lot of layer of acrylic, so it's going to take a long time to see the result. Well, at least until it's dry. So I think it's going to be very nice. Like I said, I'm going to do a pouring and I'm going to do a flip cup. So as you can see now, I just did it. I think the result is nice. I think just because we did use a lot of silicone, and I did use my silicone, which I'm going to put my link, I think the result, you have both the best of both worlds, should I say. You have small cells, we have bigger cell, we have some effect of blooming, and we have the pouring, which did gives us a smooth line. So I think it's great. I think we have a nice finish. Well, now you see it once it's dry, but let's go and see it when we did make it. And like always, please guys, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.